slowly go upside down.
What's the heart thing? Bling, bling, bling. And the little dude with the little antlers. With the hearts.
The red guy.
He's like,
It's more pink.
he's like this.
Whatever.
Oh, you know my house smells good because that fucking terrible. Oh, my finger!
Fourth.
Yeah, I need to clean these. They're too fucking dirty to see shit.
You clean them with your shirt.
Genius. I thought she was gonna lick it.
Yep. Suck that glass.
Suck it good. Hey, Calvin. Just kidding. Megan, don't laugh like that.
Huh? Megan, don't laugh like what?
You're not Chinese, me Japanese.
Well, the banner on your head doesn't help. Ready to go kick some fucking...
Ready to go kick some King Kong ass.
hairy motherfucker.
What did I do yesterday that made me fall on my ass?
You know what's on your ass.
Good point.
Emotionally and physically. Just kidding.
Did you hear that? Funny sound?
Did you fart?
No, just like that. Don't look at the name on the glasses. Oh, my finger.
Oh, you recording my cunt?
No, I haven't got your cards at all.
Get a cut now. Just us.
That's my leg.
Exactly.
Now.
That's usually what those spectromicals do, you know.
They're called glasses, dumbass. Spectacles. Not spectrumicals.
Shut up, I was trying something different.
That wouldn't work for you, Sean.
The hell up.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Ow.
That's right.
Bitch.
Cunt?
Yeah.
What?
Prostitute. Child molester.
Problem child? I owed you all. I was kidding.
Jesus.
Dick sucker.
Will hang you. I'm just kidding.
Did you suck his dick?
The fuck?
Did you?
Oh.
Oh. You should.
You suck it.
And you know what you should do?
Just suck it and lick it and suck it some more and go up and down, up and down. And just for a special touch, you can lick the ball.
Yeah.
You guys should really stop.
Let's stroke the shaft.